Hey Google, time.
It's 10:35.
It's 10:35. I just got a Snapchat message from someone who doesn't really ever message me. They like post memes on their story, so it's kind of weird that they're. Okay, that's weird. But what's not weird is I got a box. You see the name? I got a box. So can you guess what we're doing today? Yeah, we're opening up this box. I don't know what happened to it. I went to go get it and it just, looked like this. Like, looked really like weird on the side. It threw me off. But it's okay. We're gonna get this little thing. Honestly, I could just rip this with my hand, but I'm gonna just be extra and rip it with this. You can't really see me open it, but it's, you never do things towards you, because safety would, like, really, how did this box end up like this? Okay, we're gonna cut it on this side, which is the top, but I'm not gonna show you that part because there's my address on there, and I don't need everyone knowing exactly where I live, because safety first. Cut away from you. So let's talk about today. Today was a regular day. I had a test in math. I had a test in AP Hug. I was really confused in Chem. I had a meeting. It's like we have, so our advisories, like, for some people they can like join this thing and it's youth advisory, like group. So like you meet in the library, the school's library, like on certain days. I think it's like once a month basically, because like we never really go. We have pasta and cookies and salad and lemonade. That's what we had today. There's usually pasta and cookies and salad. Sometimes the drinks is different, but like usually just it's simple drink, not soda. But like, today was lemonade. So yeah. So with that, we just like looked over some books, because we, like, yeah, even in high school you still have summer reading. So I looked over some books that might change for the summer reading choice, because our school gives like a list of books that they want people to read for your grade level that you're going to be in. So I looked at some books. There's one book that we know might replace this other book, because it's the I Am Malala's book, and we have another one that might replace that book. It's about a girl who survived it's about a woman who survived a massacre in Africa. Can't remember the exact name of it, but like that's like the basis of the story. So yeah, we had that meeting today. A girl got pasta. I was very happy. I got an extra cookie, just give it to my friend. But yeah. Came with this. These are filled with air. It's just two things that you can freaking have. This is for this. I pop it. It's garbage now. Cool. Okay. So this is all my stuff. Oh my god. That looks tinier than what I thought it was. Are we gonna set that down for a second? Okay. And then we've got some bubble wrap, gotta be so satisfying. This one's already popped. Some of these are popped, but really enjoyed that because that was like really waste of time, but like I enjoyed it, so I hope you enjoyed it too. You might get some more of that later because I still have some more to go. In total, I got like 5 items. Yeah. So I got 5 items. We're gonna fold this. Ooh, what is this? Ship to, oh, to return. There's this other sticker that's not on here. Is it on the box? Was this, no, that's not even that sticker. Okay, so this part, I don't know, maybe it's just me. There's like a sticker piece here and it's not there. It's kind of weird. But then this is a sticker if I ever want to return something. But I don't want to, so we're good. But I'm gonna just show you. Let me fold this part back. Cause again, address not getting out there. Hold on, I gotta fold it back somewhere. Boom. Alright. So we got 5 items. I'm gonna just show you what they are. So let's, this was not in this package. It's in its own bubble wrap. So, we're gonna do this again. I did my hair. So, and there's like 2 braids in the front I need to lay down. So I got my bandana on. I need a black bandana and I need a white bandana. But like, I kind of need 2 white bandanas because, a girl has my type of hair and I use a lot of different products. So, products get stuff dirty quick. But, that's okay. Bag that stuff was in. Okay, so there's a brand. My voice, ew. So there's a brand Maui, M-A-U-I, Maui Moisture. I've seen their stuff around, and then I seen like this one other Curly Penny's YouTube video on her talking about the brand. But then I was on Ulta the other day and they were having a sale. It was like buy one get the other one like half off, like that brand, the Maui Moisture brand. And so I did a little bit of early Christmas shopping for myself and for someone else. They don't know that yet, and they probably won't watch this video, but I hope you enjoy it when you get it, because you're not getting it yet. I know what Christmas is. I know it's November, and I'm the person who's like, there's 3 holidays that go like three events. It's Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas. But you gotta understand this. We live in a place where if you want to do something, you do it. If you need to save money to do something, you save. If you don't like spending money, you buy on sale. And I like doing stuff, so I'm gonna save my money. And they don't cost that much. They're $8.99, so just like $9 and some change. But every penny saved go towards something else. So save. So yeah. So I bought 2 things. So these are the gifts. It's the blue one, and I say it as the blue one because like all of their things are color coded. So like if you go like on their website, like depending on your hair type, so they have one for like, here, I'll just show you. So okay, the blue one is for dry hair. There's like a fuchsia, you could say, color. That's for like color treated hair. So like if you dyed your hair and you still want to use the brand, they got you. They got you. Like if you're a curly girl, curly boy, and you got some dye and you want to keep it, they got you. Just get that bottle. They have green. Okay, so the blue, like I said, this is their coconut milk shampoo for dry hair. So blue is for dry hair. They also have one for chemically damaged hair, for dry damaged hair, for thick curly hair, and for weak brittle hair. So yeah, this is the shampoo. This is what it looks like. And then this is the conditioner. This is what it looks like. And look how they packaged it. They put slips of tape on all the products so it wouldn't, like, open. So yeah, that's these ones. That's these ones. Those are my gifts for somebody. They don't know it yet, but they might if they. Don't tell them. This is the one I got for me. I didn't get the conditioner. I already have a conditioner that I'm trying out. Like I keep telling you about it. It's the purple kangaroo one, the Aussie one. Yeah, I have that conditioner. So far it's working pretty fine. I like it. So I got the Maui Moisture coconut oil, Nourish and Moisture plus coconut oil shampoo for thick and curly hair. Yeah, this is what it looks like. It's the orange, kind of brown, kind of bottle, as you can see. Yeah, this is not gonna focus like for on it, but yeah, you can see. That's what this one is. I got this one for me. I'll tell you more about it if I like it a lot after I use it. It's sulfate free. It's rich in coconut oil, creamy. Papain, Papaya butter, and then wholesome. I'm not gonna. It's plumerian extract. Dude, I have a presentation tomorrow, and I had to pronounce these Greek names, and I'm gonna mess it up. But it's okay because nobody's gonna say them properly in class. And then last but not least of the Maui Moisture products, I got this also for somebody, but I'm gonna give that to them now because I asked them and they already know I bought this for them. And if they like it, then I'll buy them more. Because honestly, they were like, don't buy me anything. I don't want it. But then, yeah. So this is the green one. The green one. The green one is for, this one, in particular, the spray, is thicken and restore bamboo fibers, blow out mist for weak and brittle hair. Lush Nim and WEM cream rich castor oil, exotic bamboo fibers, silicone free, made with 100% aloe juice as its first ingredient. So that's what this is. This is for someone because as you can see, they have what it's described as, but we're not gonna name names, but this is for somebody. So yeah, those are all the hair products I got. So just to run it up again, I got the shampoo for thick and curly, the conditioner for dry, and the shampoo for dry, and then I got the spray for brittle. But we'll do this again. I'm not gonna really try to open this. I'm gonna just cut it open. So like I like makeup, and I'm gonna just say this. I saw this in the store, and I've seen it online, and I feel like when I saw it in the store, it looked bigger than this. But you know, it's okay because the original price on this is like $17. So I'm gonna just round it up to 20. So it's like 20 bucks. But like I told you, I love getting things for a lower price, depending on what it is. So like, with still getting the real product, just on sale, it was like $13 because it came out to be like, it might have been $13 and some change, so round up to 14, or it might have been $12 and some change, round up to 13. Either way, it was less than $15. It's the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. Look at how colorful this is. Do you see how colorful this is? And some people may be like, why? All the palettes I own, which is really not many, but like for all the ones I do own, they're kind of all the same. They're all neutrals, and that's back when I was first getting like different palettes. I was like, oh, we're gonna just get the ones that are neutral because these are probably ones I would wear more. And then Halloween rolled around, and I was like, I can't do any of these makeup looks because they all use color, and I don't have that color. So I would have ordered this before Halloween, but it wasn't on sale, and I have it now. So like, for when life comes, you know, with the events, I have some colors I could use. Because look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. I can't even open it properly. Then that's just me. Like, look at all of those pretty colors. Oh my god. They're just so pretty. The yellow. This one's... Okay. So, this one. This yellow. This green. This in between of green and blue. So like a turquoise. This purple. This one. This fuchsia. This purple. And this red. They're all shimmer. So like, because you can't really tell, like, on here. They're all shimmer. Just to let you know. So, yeah. Just to let you know, they're all shimmer. So yeah, we're talking about the, palette. So it's like 12 o'clock. And I know, doesn't that seem really ridiculous? I'm popping another bubble with my foot. It's on the floor. But like my phone is messing up. So yeah, I'm back, and time didn't really change for you, did it? No. But it's okay. So yeah, talking about this, there's those colors. Maybe it was this small in the store, and I just don't remember. But it doesn't look this small. Well, it looks, to me, maybe it's just me, but this looks smaller than what it did before. But like, see, doesn't my camera look big? But like, my hand compared to it doesn't look that big in my hand. Like, this doesn't seem that big. But yeah, these are some beautiful shades, like gorgeous looking shades. Maybe we'll do a different video with me testing it out, because that's not happening tonight, because you know I still have to post this, and yeah, I'm gonna just post it late, but like, you know, it's okay. I recorded and posted, and I'm gonna try to edit. I tried to edit this other video, but I couldn't do something, so then I just deleted some things, but then, you know, if you delete something, you can't do something else. So, yeah, it didn't work out, so I just deleted everything else. I cannot, for the life of me. I probably should start trying to edit on my computer, but, like, it doesn't want to work properly. Like, the stuff doesn't really want to transfer over properly. And to get it for me to transfer it from my phone to my laptop. It doesn't transfer the way I want it to. I'm sorry. I apologize if you're getting annoyed by the popping of this while I'm trying to talk to you. Turn your volume down. Mute it for a second. Because, you know. Well, back I'm better than ever. But yeah, that's pretty much that. So, thanks for tuning in. There's nothing else. Oh, there's this one girl. Shout out to her. Cause in my driver's ed class, shout out to you. She was like, you do not Snapchat. I'm really slow right now. You do YouTube? I'm like, yeah. And she was like, that's cool, cause she wanted to start one too, but like, be busy. Like, people got busy, be busy, and like, you know, busy, don't know what to post, and like variety of different stuff. Like, life happens. I was like, yeah, I post on YouTube and upload on YouTube, but I warn you, some of it's cringy. Like, I warned you. But yeah, that's that. Almost done with 2018. Oh my gosh. We're praying that 2019's better. Like, everything wise, like academically, I said this the other day, academically, I'm doing great. Like, for me personally, I'm doing great for me. Everything else, like, I should probably look into doing a sport. Or some activity that keeps me active. Something. I'm in French club. We have a trip soon. We're going somewhere. I might be able to vlog that. We'll see how vlogging at school goes. We talked about this like beginning of the year. Like, we're gonna try it. When I never really did. It's the whole thing of first of all, my classes, none of them really want you to have phones out. So it's that. We might do some makeup and advisory this year. So, you know, we can always do that. Because, you know, that one always works. We can also do my eyebrows again. You know, because that's some gold right there. Because she does them really nicely. She does. Olivia, like, I don't know what she was going for that one day. Because she was like, I want bricks. Because she was throwing them in. And they look funny. And she knows. I told her this. I was like, what did you do to my eyebrows? They look so funny. And then I just take it off. Because, like, I could not. They were uneven. And it was funny. She was like, I'm literally James Charles. And I was like, no. That had me dying. That was funny. But yeah, that's that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you had a great day. Hope yesterday was decent. Hope tomorrow's even better. Thanks for watching for the most part, you know. We're gonna try to edit this real quick, fast and in a hurry, you know. So yeah. I'm gonna link, or at least I'm gonna try to link some stuff in the description about these things. You can get them at Ulta. You can just go to Maui Moisture .com. Like, you just go to their website, just like type it up in Google. Or you could just like go to like the Ulta website and look it up there too. That's where I got mine from. And then you can go to NYX, or you could just go to Ulta. Yeah, I have the app, so like a girl saw the deal and I got it. Peel for that's not right now. But yeah, that's that. So yeah. So I would just like to say from me to you, if today is your day, happy birthday to you. Bon anniversary. anniversary. I think I said it right the first time, honestly. Bon anniversary. Because in French, anniversary means it's happy birthday, but like, you know, just like it looks like there's this one word. It looks like travel. It means work. So it's crazy, my friends. But yeah, it's JayJ Day. Happy birthday. Bye.